So we're going to look at using a tool called tags, and it's for gathering and archiving Twitter tweets into Google Sheets, produced by the brilliant Martin Hawksey. It allows us to create he's created a Google Sheet that we can then use to capture tweets from the last week or last few days. It's up to us. Okay, so we start off at this address. We then choose the tag that we're going to use. So yes, I want to make a copy. Okay. So I'm going to look for a particular hashtag, LTHE chat. I'm going to look for it over the last 5 days. Okay. Default will be 7 days on this. There's a few things that we need to do before it will actually run. Well, do the job we want it to do. So the first one is I'm going to do it by run now. It needs authorization. So I've just been through the authorization stage. It will put up some warnings. It's up to you whether you proceed using them. I've used this sheet many times. I'm less worried about that, but you need to go to the advanced and just say you agree to move on if you want to continue. If you don't, stop there. Okay, so now it's run this, and it's given me 496 tweets that it's found during the time. Okay, what's it done? Well, it's collated them. So we've got several days worth of tweets here, all using this hashtag. So it archives that for you. Okay, that's nice, and that's very useful. But there are some other things that we need to do. To do those, we need to change the restrictions. So to share it, to get the pretty picture stage. So I've changed it with anyone with a link can view. All right. Why? Well, why is because I want to run Tags Explorer. So you click on it, you get a new URL. There we go. So what we've got here at the moment is, for that data, who's replied to who. So everyone, all of these are people who've used that hashtag or have been retweeted or mentioned by somebody with that hashtag. And the lines linking at the moment show replies. This person replied to this. You can see there's a bit of a connection going on, these people connecting to each other. Okay. What we can also do with this is look at mentions and replies. So now we're seeing a few more connections. The dotted lines are somebody has mentioned somebody else with this hashtag. And let's wait for it to go mad. We can put retweets in as well. And we get a massive number of things happening here. So this is replies, mentions, and retweets. This person retweeted and all this stuff. So you can see quite a connected network. Okay, now for some more fun. If we choose, let's choose that one, and we click on it, we get what tweets they did, their replies, and so on. That's cool. But if we do replay tweets, we get this. We see how these things build up over time. And we see the tweets as they come along. So it's quite nice to see how this network for a single Twitter account, and this is the main Twitter account that's linked to this hashtag. You can see what people, when they come in, what time, and you just see the network building up. Okay. Okay. What we can also do is come along to these pull downs here. Top conversation lists are those that have been mentioned and retweeted. So you can see who's the top conversation lists for this time period, for this hashtag. Okay. Thank you very much.